Sir, what is your message over Anti Terrorism Day?
Every year, 21st May is celebrated.
No problem.
Every year, 21st May is observed as Anti Terrorism Day by the Government of India. And on this day, the message to the public is that we all take a pledge to make our country safer, to oppose all forms of terrorism, and to promote harmony and unity in the country.
Sir, if we talk about Goa ATS, what is the strength of Goa ATS as of now?
The Goa ATS is an elite unit which is established for anti-terrorism functions and operations. The strength of the Goa ATS has just been introduced and just been increased, and we have now around a company commandos, which is around 100 in number, and they are all equipped with the latest equipments and they have the best of the training.
Yes, so let's talk about the equipment. ATS is a specialized unit and they require some extraordinary weapons. So, do you think the unit has all the required weapons and other instruments or equipments?
So, ATS is a continuously evolving unit. Every year we have joint coordination exercises with multiple agencies such as NSG, Coast Guard, etc. And based on our inputs and based on our learnings, we continuously upgrade the capabilities of ATS. Recently, we had an exercise Gandiv 2 in December 2020 along with NSG and other departments. It was a great success, and after that we have taken the steps of getting new weapons for ATS. We have got new bulletproof jackets, and we have got a lot of other technical equipments and shields and sniper rifles and those kind of things now have been inducted into ATS.
The same thing, training comes into the picture. How would you say that commandos are being trained within Goa and later on with other elite units?
The commandos of ATS undergo rigorous training, not only in Goa, they also go to other agencies such as NSG, Force 1, where they have specific commando courses and they specialize in different kind of operations. So they have a multifaceted training and continuous training, including refresher courses, weekly training. Everything is done to make sure that the ATS commandos and the unit is a fit and young and fighter ready unit.
So how do you undertake their training within department? Is there any special training?
Yes, so the commandos which are inducted, like there are some commandos which have been inducted just now, 40 commandos. Those have first been trained at PTS in a pre-commando training course, and now gradually as the situation improves, they will also get specialized training from other agencies such as NSG, Force 1 and others.
Presently there is COVID situation, so we cannot say otherwise. Goa is very sensitive place in terms of many foreigner tourists comes to Goa. So how do you rate or rank Goa ATS to tackle any terror like situation?
Goa ATS is very important, like you said, for the reason that Goa is a very important tourist destination. We see a lot of tourists that come to Goa every year. So keeping all of that in mind, Goa ATS is very ready. It is always on top of things. It is in the know of all the threats, and it is continuously evolving, practicing, training to make sure that it is capable to neutralize any threat which comes to Goa.